In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change community name in Circle. If you're refreshing your brand, clarifying your focus, or just cleaning up a typo, updating your community's name in Circle is quick and safe when you know where to look. Before we begin, make sure you have the right permissions. Only owners or admins can change the community name. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you may need to ask an admin to grant you access. Let's start by opening your settings. Look to the top left corner of your Circle navigation bar. You'll see your community name or its logo. Click it. This opens a drop-down menu that gives you access to administrative tools for your space. It's designed to be easy to reach from anywhere in Circle, so you don't have to backtrack or leave the page you're on. From that drop-down, select Settings. This takes you into your community's configuration area. You're now in the right place to make global updates that affect how your space looks and feels to members. Inside Settings, you'll land on or can navigate to the General section. That's where the most recognizable details about your community live, including its name. In the General section, find the Community Name field. Click into that field and type the new name exactly as you want members to see it. Aim for something short, clear, and consistent with your branding. Consider capitalization, spacing, and any special characters. Keep in mind that the name appears in your header, emails, and other member-facing spots, so readability matters. If your community has subspaces or groups, the main name helps set the tone, so choose something that still makes sense across your broader ecosystem. When you're happy with the new name, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This button finalizes the update and applies it across your community. If you navigate away without saving, your edits won't stick, so make sure that click happens before you leave the page. After saving, the new name should appear almost immediately. If you don't see it right away, refresh your browser or check from an incognito window to rule out caching. Members will see the updated name across the interface, but your community's URL or domain doesn't change with this update. That's a separate setting. That's all it takes. Click your community name or logo, choose Settings, update the community name in the General section, and save. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly polished community identity.